Welcome to the teeth whitening class. And this teeth whitening class is going to be on how can I add my teeth whitening services to my existing menu, or how can I upsell teeth whitening procedures. Now remember, in every state it's totally different. So make sure you check with your state's laws about doing anything with the mouth. I don't care if you're licensed. Make sure it's okay in your state. Again, for the third time, make sure you can do teeth whitening, because there are, I believe, 14 states that still have a law actually in place that you can't even do any type of whitening. And I do mean anything that removes anything from the teeth. I don't care if it's spit off the teeth. That's more of a dental procedure in those states. Now, at the end of the video, I will do my best to go ahead and add in, or I can actually add in the link in the description below, and show you guys the states that actually have banned any type of teeth cleaning, whitening procedure, and it's against the law. So here's a little warning. As you can see, it's popping up that this is just a cleaning. It's basically a massage for your mouth, a mouth spa. Hell, I might call it that. So the mouth spa, you can look pretty on the outside. I get facials and massage, but hell, what about the inside? But remember, this is not a video on how to actually clean off cavities, periodontal diseases, plaque, tartar, or gingivitis. These issues are more severe and need a dental hygienist, dental assistant, or dentist. Other than that, please do not try to do anything extra than what I'm doing in the video. So right now, the little brushes or bristles is basically I'm brushing the teeth for the client. So in your state, make sure you can do this type of procedure. I already put the whitening on. I'm going to do another video where it shows me putting it on the teeth, or actually inside of the placeholders for your teeth, and then the client puts it in the mouth. So that's how you would get around getting any type of trouble, even if you are in those 14 states that don't allow you to do dental whitening or teeth cleaning or teeth whitening. So to get around it, again, step number one is to actually put the solution or teeth whitening gel that they sell over the counter in any store. It seems like every state is fine about collecting money for you to do teeth whitening at home, but hell, there's sticklers for giving you teeth whitening, charging people, but they can charge you. So it just gets kind of crazy. So just remember, all you're doing is putting in the teeth whitening solution inside of the placeholders or a mouthpiece, and you're allowing them to put it in their mouth themselves. You don't put it, you allow them to do it. You give it into their hands and they put it into their own mouth. You wait about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, give or take. If you can do 15, 20, that's even better, but that's a long time. So let that sit in their mouth for about that 10, 15 minute mark, or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, hell, even longer, if you have the time. Once they take it out of their mouth, it's already stuck onto the teeth. And remember, your teeth have to be dry. That's why I'm using a mouth guard, the mouth opener, or retractor. And it holds her gums off of the salivatory glands. And you can use cotton if somebody has like a drippy mouth. Like, we know, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you do have a drippy mouth, or salivatory glands are at an all-time high and you just get liquid all the time, oh man, you're doing pretty good. Just use some cotton. So right now the space is just holding open, and I'm now actually polishing the teeth. That's all I'm doing. So again, I firmly believe that everyone should have multiple streams of income and become their own boss someday. And because of this COVID-19 nonsense, hell, you got to do anything in your arsenal to survive. Like, do what you have to fucking do. Seriously. And as you can see, if you read the numbers, if you want to take the class, hell, feel free to give me a call. We'll work it out. This is just an overview of what I'm doing. So now I'm releasing the mouth retractor. And now we're going to put in, and these are other clamps or mouth holders, but I didn't tie my string to it only because the string that I had is kind of don't know, it's a little irritating. It's on the side of it anyway. So make sure your clients aren't sleeping during this procedure and they swallow these little things. No, there's supposed to be a little string in between that they can hold on to just in case they do fall asleep, which she did do. If you watch the other videos, she actually takes a quick nap because it's relaxing. You're basically doing a spa massage for the mouth. And it's just small little bristles or brushes that's brushing up against the teeth. You're polishing the teeth. You are not taking off any type of plaque, tartar, anything crazy from the mouth. We are not dentists or dental hygienists or dental assistants. Trust me, trust me, trust me. You do not, I repeat, do not want to mess with anybody's mouth, especially their gums. If you cause bleeding from somebody's gums, you are working too hard. I don't know what you're doing. As you can see, I'm not having any scraping tools. I'm not scaling. I'm not, well, that's what they call it in a dental. You're scaling. You're taking off the tartar with a high pressured water gun. No, 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 no. This is just a nice relaxing thing for the face and the gum line and your tongue and your teeth. And it feels really, really good. So if you are specializing in TMJ, which is your temporomandibular joint, you can actually do that massage first, then get inside the mouth, polish the mouth out, then do another massage. Man, it feels wonderful. See how like on the top roof of her mouth? Oh yeah, it's like massaging the roof of the inside of the mouth. It feels great. And now getting the backs of the teeth. Polishing those wonderful pearly whites, those canines. Oh yeah. Right there, close to the number 13 tooth. Oh yeah, those incisors, the canines, molars in the back, wisdom teeth in the back. But she has wonderful teeth. My teeth are all jacked up. I'll show you a video about how I do my little self-whitening in another video. Because let me tell you, adding on this type of service, people come back just for the cleaning part of it. They could have the best teeth in the world. They'll still just come back just because of the feeling like, wow, my dentist doesn't even do this. I'm like, yeah, because your dentist is a dickhead. They're rough. I've always had like a harsh dentist, male and female, especially in the military. My God, it has never been a pleasurable experience. Never. And the last time I got my teeth cleaned, and I do have some my teeth are pretty good. My gums were bleeding for, oh man, half of that day. It was swollen. It did not stop being swollen until about maybe 2 or 3 days later. I hate a teeth cleaning. They do their job, but it hurts. So this one is just a polisher type of brush head, and it's color coded, and it feels really, really, really good on the inside of the mouth. It's not too harsh. It's not too abrasive. And that's all I'm doing. So to add this to your business, let's review what you need to have. Step number 1, check with your state. You can do an easy Google search. All of this stuff is so easy. You guys are so quick to get on TikTok or Instagram. You can do your own thing online with Google. That's step number 1. Find out if you can do teeth whitening in your state, county, local municipality, city, whatever you need to do, okay? Then after that, they give you the go ahead. You're good to go. Make sure you get your products. Make sure you get your polishing tools, mouth guards. You're good to go. Any other questions, just feel free to give me a call.